you all which kind devil with this pa? Today we be seen up for Sunday, I dress up like this pa. I say I go see him for Amaka where I get an appointment with him. Oga say make a commotion for this car. Don't let that come for this car. This car now I get it. Check out. Everything waiting for this car, everything is net money. Oga say make I go wash am again. Okay, you all now. Today now, Amaka you know disappoint me now. Today now Oga won't come disappoint for me pa. What do you do for this fine car now? Make I wash am. How are you doing, man?
You doing fine now?
Baby, wallahi, wallahi, you and Abonga Mr. Johnson, I be sisters.
I don't know what you talk.
You know, to baby, Dakatamana, baby, you know of Obi Kubana, ko? Wallahi, all the car with supply and put over. Wallahi, na nima langu. Wallahi.
Those two of us sister, you supply them. Hey, Alaji.
Go rock
What is it now?
Hey, baby.
Alaji.
Hey! It's not what I think, pa.
It's not what you think or what I think.
It's not what I think.
Hey! Wait, I asked you to wash this car that I want to go out with it. You are here.
Okay, wallahi, I want to watch the car.
By the way, who is she?
At the show for direction, pa. She said she dey looking for the next street. I want to tell her the number. That is why I did.
Road safety. Road shower.
What did you just say?
Director.
Me? Baby, here is block.
Road safety. Shut up! See, I asked you to wash this vehicle. You are here, showing her road.
Oga, you know it's
shut up! Before I count 5, I want this car washed.
Okay, sorry, sir.
You have
me.
nonsense.
What's happening here?
Fine girl.
Hey!
How are you?
Me.
Fine, sir.
You see that idiot that just entered now? Somebody I employed two weeks ago. He just want to lose his job. Can you imagine?
You mean that guy is your gate man?
My stupid gate man.
Hey, wait!
Ha! This is my house actually.
Eh?
One of my apartments.
You call this house your apartment?
Ha! House that I want to be using because very soon I will start poultry business.
Hey,
I have many houses in this estate. See, hi, you are such a pretty girl. And even my wife is not at home now, I would have carried you inside. But since she's at home, let me just take you to a very nice hotel so that I will shower you, you know, I will water you with money and love.
Do you know what? So you are a married man? Eh? You have a wife at home. You want to go carry me somewhere and shower me.
I just want to help your life, oh.
Yeah!